Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with an upgradation of this Excel sheet. Yes, rightly pointed out the bugs from the sheet, and the file shared was this one, I guess. Yep. So we were having some issues with the formatting and missing values, missing data for the system details. So for the system details, I guess you need to check the template. If the template is fine, then it should spit out the system details. Regarding the formatting issues, yeah, there are some issues. These issues raised because of the filtering criteria we later added, which is this one, yes and no. So if we will add, I just tested it thoroughly. Um, Let me align everything on the right side. All right, so yeah, I have just tested it thoroughly, and it seems working better now. And I'll show you the functionality. Um, I think I need to change the format for this one as well. I need to make it a text, and that is fine. All right. So, yep, I'm forcing the text format on the date format and the currency format just to get the results, because I've just changed the formats in this sheet, but for some reason it's not picking the value. So these are the problem when you are working with the Excel to Word document. The formatting is always an issue. But now those are being fixed, and I hope there will not be any issues. Let me run the system. I've also made a small change for the date format. So yeah, everything should be MMDDYYY. So I'll go back to the, and yes, this is January 12th, correctly pointed out. And if I'll go down, you will see yeah, there is no converter kilowatt capacity calculated because there is no capacity in the chart. I'll show you that. And yeah, I have tested it with the payment plan. Now I'm going to run it with the flat fee thing. And let's run it one more time. Meanwhile, check it. All right, this was the older one. So this is the last updated, and I'm going to open the new. System details are there, no issues in it. Yeah, the format is also right, because I'm forcing the format now. I'm not applying the format, I'm just forcing it. I just want to mention that now it's being forced. So yeah, there will not be any problem now with the selection changes. If you will make the changes in the selection, it will still keep the same because I'm forcing the format in this. All right, so that is it. I guess we are getting the system details as well. Let me see again. Yeah, we were getting the system details and no issues with the formatting. So yes, I guess you can use this. For the system details, just make sure that system details is like this. The column sign is there and there is nothing in front of that in the template file, and then run it. But if still the problem you will face, you might face, then please do let me know, and I'll make sure that you are not getting that through the template. Yep, that is it from my side. Let's see how it goes on, and I'll be waiting for your review. Take care. Bye.